So wait, how much money you think that truck man they make?
You know me no sell bigs. Go ask him now.
Alright, forward then now.
So boss, how much money you make a day?
Really? Yes.
About 30 grand.
100.
You correct, you know.
Oh. So I have so much money and I can't go and find it.
Gun?
Yeah.
Don't need no gun, youth, man. I don't fear nothing nor no one.
Oh, I understand.
Alright.
Yeah. Go on, youth, yeah, go on. Ease yourself, just keep it calm, youth, yeah, star. Only put pressure in my corner. One time it hard to carry on. You no need no girl for turn to, no man for talk to. Feelings hurt on the journey so far. Show me know me, we go do things and nobody argue. Me like go the loose and start hold me harder.
Wagwan Success family, hope everyone doing alright. If you're new to the channel, welcome and make sure to subscribe to get all the videos. Like this video so we can continue to drop more contents like this one. So today we want to talk about Skeng and Kraff Shottaz. Honestly, Skeng find it, Kraff deliver, and the song well bad. The most amazing part about this music video is how well them recreate the iconic Shottas scene where the little youth them rob the truck man and take away money and shot him in 9 foot. You see me? I had no idea I would see a movie that the entire Jamaica and the world love so much recreated in a music video, and Skeng would be the one to do it. This music video is already the best music video locally, and you can even compare it with international music video also. You see me? Øwayne. Alright, enough talking, make we get into the video. Stay tuned for the breakdown.
Tell him a midnight, so me head split tight up. Talk up a place like that, I'm well look up. Don't fuck with trouble, get fuck up. Everything mush, block up and toss.
Hey boy, at midnight something dark and insane, but some man head hot me like coconut. When 12 o'clock come, just know so we lose some screws. Don't ramp with trouble, you trouble, and then trouble dash your way, then you hear out trouble full of trouble. Trouble, you see me? Brawling, everything get mash up, mince up, pluck. Can't identify the man that we get dash around the sea.
I the chestnut checkers are late full of felon, very cheap like Becca, make it sing like Tessa. Don't talk to the West and please check like them and Mouta shot in at the weapon. Alright, so Kraff I make you know say yo, a chestnut checkers, we move precise and don't map out your life. You see me? Any move we make have to be according to plan. Bury that chip, you never know, so we have it like that. Make it sing like Tessan chin. Don't sort with the spinners, no intelligence, nothing for lose. Squeeze trigger like me trigger happy friend them. Mount a shot in at the weapon, big pan belly.
Skeng boy, they hear the people me shot. Pull him up in I make up go head start. And in the crime me a step on detrimental. Not side our badness presidential. Spaniard.
Them boy they are idiot. Where them the when me a dash of people, them think a dog, cat and goat and cow me a shot. A people 3 pints we take, you see me empty a shoes in him head. Uno go and go meds that because after we done flying marrow, in can't meds again. In can't pre-we again, you know. Just make this known. Any works where we step on detrimental, even my name, badness increase and spread presidential like Dodos. You see me? Crime well extravagant. We not figure so hard, but them fi know say paint on badness dark and gruesome.
How are the plan, how are the pre? Say them by them just a feel, say them a done but me not see. Them have a strap but that a me boy for this me been asleep. Baby them a just a tea, the lady breast them pan a feed. Step alone and in a team.
What the plan? Where the pre? If you say you're done or you say you run off place and I can't see it all now, you see your badness shaky. You might have a strap, but that a meme, joke thing, still not see the boy for this way. Baby them just a learn for walk. We chat it alone and go for them anyway. We not afraid and we not need with team. Fully brave. BTK till it's steam. Naza hot from the rapid burst. Shut up, peel off your skin. You think a bleaching cream, but I no cream.
I want to plan a Fred made mud till I pussy don't forgot my boy gun, my boy shot. Wrap them in the body bag, take his soul and them no chat. It's a clap and a hand. Sympathy for mad smart.
Shut a girl and shut a man.
Go over plan with me again because my head take me more while in here, isn't it? Just remind me who for head forget slamming, who forget dash way. Them if you know say a Bible gonna shot them. Shut a clap you think a round of applause them a give. Shut a waist girl and shut a waist man brawling. You see me? Head sick like Mad Max. If you make it to the end of this video, check out my other video. Them know and I go like it. Thanks for the likes, thanks for the subscribe, thanks for the views, thanks for the comments. As always, I'm out.